Hi guys, naglaro-laro ko diri sa kuan no. Actually silingan lang namo ning kuan, isa sa mga heritage house din eh. Mao ni siya. Ang Balay Natisa. Ayan. No. So nindutay kayo no. Nindot man din ning balayan ni. It's a heritage house. No. Then sa Karkar City, Cebu no. And then napadiri sa ilalon din nakuan siya, declared siya heritage house by National Historical Institute no, September of 2019. Ayan. Ooh, although that ako na sa survey pwede makita hit pero sa kung nakita din masyag ka ng kon underground. Saan na sila? Anyways, sudlon tanaon niya. Sudlon tanaon niya tatawag. Mao na siya. Anyways, bye. Wow. Sulod na pa sa Balay Natisa. Muna siya ang tagiya sa una diri sa Balay Natisa. Mga muebles. So nice. Wow. Kenapa?
Naka-stay kayo?
Oh, dyan sa unit ko ninyo.
Diyan po sa kasa.
Guest list ha.
Due to the earthquake in 2013 here in South Bukid, it affected our car. Our car was also damaged. We had to crack the door. So there's no way for us to treat it, pump out the water from the otherwise. So that entrance that we use is a new one that I use.
Yung sa gilid.
Yun na lang.
Oo, yun na lang.
Nagpaalam naman ako sa NHCP Manila, the National Heritage, because this house is a marker.
Oh, doon sa ano.
We took a picture of it.
I am not supposed to
Change
redo
anything.
anything, but I went there, I showed them a drawing, I showed them a plan, I told them the reason, I showed them pictures of the city. I cannot, for 10 years, all the guests sa kusina dumadaan, kahit na sinong bisita ko man yun, lahat sila sa kusina kasi pinagsa mga daan. Yung konti ang tubig, meron ako mga napakana.
Ito. Kaya pala baha pala.
That's the main entrance. So, doon na lang. This one is the dining.
Balay Natisa. Ito po yung dining room.
Yes, this is the dining room. Although every day I eat in the other area kasi when I have guests, dito kami may mga bisita ako dito kami. Pero araw-araw lang. Habang naparang breakfast na sa loob.
Anong year po to na?
The house was
Built.
built in 1859.
9. Kaya yun yung
1859.
password.
Yeah, it was built in 1850. It's about 65 years now. This year, that's how old it is.
Okay.
May plates na yung lumang-luma.
Yeah, those are collections of my grandmother.
Yes.
Some of them are my own collection. The Celadons. I have a few Bueno's. Some belong to the house. Yung iba naman, akin ang personal collection that I just I try to put things na local lahat. Like for example, these things are all native. I want to promote native art, native craft. The carvings in the living room are all done by an artist from Puente. I sort of I introduce it to the people. It's also good to have something that is locally done because as they more localized. It's this time, yes, but we try to sort of, it's not supposed to be a house that is open or to dito ganun yan doon. Hindi ko na naabutan na nandun to. Ibig sabihin, during the time of my great-grandmother, siguro nilagyan nila ng panin.
Yes. Para formal tingnan.
Mukhang formal tingnan. Pero ito, hindi nila ginawa dito. So, pinabayaan ko. Pero napakatigas. So, there's an extension there. Nandun pa yung kusina ng yung pang araw-araw namin niluluto.
Ito sir, original to? Wow. Grabe, talo yung mga bagong mga materials, no?
Ito, ibang klaseng wood.
Ito hardwood talaga siya.
Hardwood.
They call it mansalagin. Ewan ko ano yan sa Tagalog.
Grabe, mas matibay talaga dati.
Mm.
Tapos hindi siya mainit. Kaya ganyan yung ceiling.
Tapos, yung ganyan yan. Dapat yan, covered yan. Hindi ko na lang pinutunan kasi that is a style in the Filipino design they call Pampango Tabique. The original is parang may kawali and then they plaster it with ano yung apple. So, that's how it's supposed to look. Yung basag mo yung
Yes. May panabi talaga siya.
This one
Tapos
is-
parang may balconary.
Nandyan pa yung original na tea. Ang original na tea, marami nga yung tisa kasi like the chapel is also tisa, but that's new. And that's machine made. These ones may have been that time there were no machines. So parang na yung flat na ganun. Tapos ginaganyan-ganyan lang yan siya. So that is
Pero di ba dito?
Kaya pala balay na tisa. Asa tita? Mm.
2024, 1859. This was built in 1850, more or less. That's what they told me. Maybe a little early. Pero 1850, may marker kasi sa ilalim na nakalagay 1859.
1859.
So I just use that as my yung reference na it was built in 1859.
So 165 na to or 160.
But my houses before, I was told by some friends of mine who is into the heritage, some of the units of course were added along over the years. Pero hindi ko alam kung kailan. Pagdating mo, ganito na itong bahay. Although, in a more dilapidated, inayos ko na lang. Ilipat ko yung ibang flooring, nilagay ko dyan kasi nabulok na yan. Hindi ka nang avoid years. Years na kung isa nang mag-deteriorate din